Grateful teacher. My name is Dora Cecilia Palacio. I am learning one year holds I line the municipality of Puerto Berrío. English 2 es cafetero or coffee shop Dora Cecilia Palacio. Tell an experiments of a page. The best tree I made was to go to the cafetero coffee shop side I had dreamed in all time. That was the great time my conference Jamie Britain. For me it was the best thing that happened to me on the special day for me. On this tree I meet the thermal spring of Santa Rosa de Cabal, the city of Pereira de Zaralda, where we stayed was incredibly beautiful. Far as to swimming pools and the jacuzzi. It's all house in Trivial Trailer. A bar to drink car, listening to music. There we celebrate. My birthday the night we arrived. I was unexpected 7 until 1 in the market. In the next day we went to visit the coffee farm, where there were several attractive sites where we enjoy an interno, knocking at having fun on the different affinities. On Sunday we went to a place called Panac, where we observed the different domestic animals there, robin, pig, cows, horse, cats, horse, dogs of different species, and more others. Told about the climate on the place on the he recommended his sort was to take into account according to climate. The climate of the coffee zone is what is recommended. They use to breed jacket of poncho to protect themselves at night, saying that I people to you stay in the cold or if they want to know más we should cover as days, swap days, calm or cold trails ecological. It's recommended that you bring enough to eat. It recommends that you go to halls even that tourist goes in halls was it recommended that you take cabarets so they can have records and the good memories of the bizarre place on the it recommended that you take enough money to buy handicap they are expensive dives in the municipality of Salento. He recommends to plant trees the place you describe. The recommendation that what could take in the cold go to the coffee as is feet of you should find a quad travel agency that says in China and the was you through good for comfortable accommodation. The train is one comfortable, but with air internal and good upholstery. The whole family school good so they can enjoy their coffee as a look. It's cool time in the children and grandparents to enjoy in Panaca. Wise the animals that is a Travis place. They should die who they to enjoy a nice family weekend in the coffee area.